Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Next question from the lesson My Beginnings. Both of my wishes have been fulfilled ಅಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು extract ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is extract type question and answer children. Okay. So one sentence from the lesson is given and 3 questions will be asked. So if you answer all the 3 questions, you will get 3 marks. Okay. It is 3 marks question. So we'll see the questions now. Whose wishes have been fulfilled? ಯಾರ ಒಂದು wishes fulfill ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Kapil Dev's wishes have been fulfilled. He is telling both of my wishes have been fulfilled ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ 2 ಆಸೆಗಳು ಈಡೇರಿದವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾರ ಆಸೆಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕಪಿಲ್ ದೇವ್ ಅವರ ಅಭಿಲಾಷೆ. Question B. What does both refer to? What does both? Both of my wishes have been fulfilled ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Both ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What do you mean by both ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Both refers to travel around the world and drive a Mercedes Benz. These two were wishes of Kapil Dev. So he wanted to travel around the world and he wanted to drive a Mercedes Benz. So both of his wishes have been fulfilled. Okay. Question C. Which idiom is used in the lesson to refer wishes or dreams? So, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು idiom ನ phrase ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ castles in the air. ಸೊ ಈ idiom ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Castles in the air. So this is an idiom. Okay. Castles in the air is used in the lesson to refer wishes or dreams. Okay. Thank you.